Alright, so in this video, I'm showing us how to take a proper body measurement for the top and that of the trouser. We're taking a proper body measurement for the top and the trouser. So let's do that now. Okay, the first thing we need to take is our shoulder. We want to take our shoulder measurement. To do that, you place your tape at the end of the shoulder bone, where the shoulder bone stops, down to this end of the shoulder bone. Now the person's shoulder is 19. So the person's shoulder is 19 at the end of the shoulder bone. Or if you don't want to take the full, you can start it from the center. From the center here, at the center bone there, take it down. See, 9.5 at the end of the shoulder bone. So that is how you take your shoulder measurement. Alright, the next place you need to take is the chest. Tell the person to raise the hand up. Okay, drop it. Alright, the next place you need to take is the chest measurement. And whenever you're taking a measurement, at least there should be 1 or 2 fingers in between the tape and the person's body. Take note. Whenever you're taking measurements, at least for easy friction. Okay? So this person's chest, as you can see, is 45. Is 45. The next place you need to take is the stomach measurement. Alright. The stomach measurement. Alright. And you also need to ask the person if he wants it tight or he wants it to be loose. Alright, so the stomach measurement, as you can see, is 43. That is the stomach measurement. Alright. Now, the next place you need to take is the body length. We are taking the body length. And to take the body length, you place your tape at the shoulder, down. Now, for a short stop, now as you can see, for a short stop, it should be between the big thumb. Take note, for a short stop, it should be between the big thumb for a short stop. Now, this person's stop may be 33, 32, or 31, between the thumb for a short stop. Alright, now for a long stop, you can go down to the knee level. And if you want to go by the knee level, the body length is 42. As you can see, the body length is 42. Now, take note, when taking the body measurement, don't pass your tape by the side. No. You make sure you capture the stomach. Make sure whenever you're passing the tape, you capture the stomach. Don't pass it by the side of the person. No. Pass it at the front of the stomach. Make sure you capture the stomach down. So that is how you take your body length. The next thing we need to take is the neck measurement. You're taking the neck measurement. And this person's neck, as you can see, is 18. That is the neck measurement, 18. Alright? The next thing we need to take is the sleeve length measurement. The sleeve length. Okay? Now, we have for short sleeve. You start from where the shoulder bone stops and you take it down. For a short sleeve, you can go by 8. This person's short sleeve is 8. Now, for a long sleeve, you go down. Make sure you capture everything down. And his long sleeve is 24. As you can see, the long sleeve is 24. Alright, the next thing we need to take is the round sleeve of the person. You're taking the round sleeve. You take for a short sleeve. Always make sure that there is 1 or 2 fingers in between your tape and the person's body. Okay, this person's round sleeve is 15. As you can see, the round sleeve is 15. The next place you need to take is the wrist. And his wrist is 10 inch. The wrist, as you can see, is 10 inch. Alright? So these are the various components you need to take when measuring for the top.